Hi, this is Rob Gormley. I want to talk to you about RememberMyAppointment.com and tell you how to use it. It's really an easy program to use, and it's going to help you out a lot. The first thing you need to know is that how to get to it. You're going to use the URL that I send you in an email. It's going to be RememberMyAppointment.com/RMA forward slash, this will be the name of your company, and index.php. Um, that's one way. There's another way to find it, and that is if I put it into your website. I can actually put it into your website just like this. This is called an iframe, and it's very easy for your website programmer to create a page just like this, and so that you can get into it right from your website. This is all you need to enter an appointment. Now, when you want to get a little further into it to see some of the reports and to make the templates, you would just click right here, Manage Your Appointments, and it will actually take you to the main page that we just talked about. So this is for a doctor who is or a dentist who is a client of mine. But let's go back to the main page. Okay, this is a demo site, and as I said, this is where you create the appointment reminder, and it's very, very easy. All you have to do is enter a first name like Jane Jones, enter a cell phone number, that's a fake number, and it has to be a cell phone number. It will not work on a regular landline. So enter the cell phone number, then enter the day of the appointment. It's going to be in February, let's say February 13th next year, and this is going to be at 11:30. So that's all set, and then we choose a template. Now this template is something that you have pre-designed, and I have pre-designed several here, and just click on that and create the reminder. Voila, there it is. Appointment reminder added to the queue. Over here it says upcoming reminders. We have several of them here already. Down here we have these are recent reminders sent. So we've got the new appointment reminder all set. Up here, this information is a telephone number that I use to send your text messages. This is a phone number that I have picked out and that I pay for. There's nothing you can do about it. You can't change that. So that's really pretty darn easy, but it says we have total of 7 appointments set, and that we've sent out 3 reminders. This SMS credits remaining is the number of credits you have remaining until you have to buy more. So that's pretty easy to see. Okay, down here we've got this area called Get Appointment Widget and API Information. I'm going to show you some things in that. It's not really necessary for you to see this, but if you're curious, let's look at it. This is called an iframe, and this is what you would show your website programmer if you wanted him to create a window like this right here on your website. Your website programmer would take this code and just copy and paste it into a page on your website, and you would have that window. It would be right there on your website. This stream in appointment reminders from your third-party script. This is a really nice thing. It allows you to use another appointment reminder, an appointment program, something that sets up appointments and keeps the data for you. And once you set it up, it will send the data to this program so that you never have to come here to set up an appointment. You do it once in your other program and the information comes over here. The only information that's shared is the first name, the last name, the mobile phone number, a template ID, I'll show you that in a minute, and the time and date of, or date and time of the appointment. So you give this code right here to your programmer on the program that you use to make appointments with, and he can set it up, he or she can set it up so that it transfers over here automatically. It's really neat. This down here is something that I don't want you to change, this stream new user data to existing external SMS marketing campaign. Okay, we want to leave this on appointment system down here, and don't make any changes in here, whatever I have in here. Because if you move this right here, it will disable the ability of the program to allow your clients to respond to your text messages. And one of the really nice things is that in this program, you send them a text message and they can reply back to you, whether they receive the text message or whether they need to reschedule or cancel the appointment. So we've got to leave it under appointment system right here for this to work. Okay, so that's pretty much it right there. Okay, I did mention the template remember ID right here. I'll show you where that comes from, and we're going to go over here to appointment templates, and this is where we make appointment templates, and I will go over this in the next video. But these are the IDs down here. After you've already got your template set up, the your programmer will have to set it up so that when you create an appointment in your other program, that it will transfer over to this program using these ID numbers right here. So anytime you change templates or add templates, if you're using a program like we're talking about, another program to set your appointments, and you want this transfer capability, you've got to bring your programmer into the loop and allow him to update these IDs here. Okay, so that's all we're going to talk about right now. We'll see you in a minute.